Hey guys, it's me, J1001. I want to apologize for the audio on these elevator videos. I had to use my laptop mic because my microphone wasn't working because I couldn't get it set up. So my audio is, for me, is very loud while JB is very quiet, which is my fault because during the editing I had to turn myself down and JB down as well, so it's very hard to hear him. So besides that, I hope you guys all enjoy, and see you guys in the video.
That sounded like an. I was gonna say that sounded like an evil laugh.
You gotta do laps around the place without hitting anyone.
I told you it's very claustrophobic in here. It
No,
can't.
you gotta do laps. Yes, you can. You can do laps around the okay. Just don't hit anyone and make sure not to step on anyone's feet.
Oh God, I think I stepped on Spike's toes.
He'll get really mad.
Sorry.
He'll beat you up afterward.
Oh God, please no.
For like $50, and that's $50 is the only money you're gonna have for your lunch. So you're gonna be out of money and $50.
But I have a free coupon
and you
for.
won't have a lunch because he's gonna steal everything regarding your lunch.
I have. Okay, so my free coupon to Super Salad.
Nope, he's gonna steal it.
No, okay.
He's gonna mug you. He's gonna probably.
So wait, this is your apartment?
No, I don't know what happened to my apartment. I think we might have skipped it somehow.
What's that? What's happening?
I don't actually know.
Wait, I think that's the elevator.
What's the elevator?
That noise.
No, can't be.
Wait.
Don't move. Just don't move.
The elevator. Oh God! Oh! What? How did the ceiling? How? What?
See, I told you we skipped it, so we had to go back down.
My legs! How are they not broken? Oh wait, I have long pole boots on.
We had to go back down because we skipped my room. Remember?
The elevator just broke.
No, it didn't. That never happened.
Google Glass, you're recording this, right? No? Dang it. Google Glass, record. I don't know. I don't know how to work this thing. I got it like an hour ago. Do I hear the ocean?
No, you don't. That's just music, dude.
Oh, alright. Guess it's like one of those nature CDs or something like that with the seagulls and whatnot.
And they have like gentle piano in the background.
Yeah. Oh, Steve's tube is back.
Oh, this is the guessing game. Alright, so this always happens. You have to take a guess on what color is the correct color. I'm gonna take a guess at blue.
Green. Is anyone else gonna choose, or?
No.
No? When do we get the results, or?
Never.
Oh. What is this music?
I was inspiring.
Is this Rihanna?
I don't know what Rihanna sounds like, so I can't tell you that.
I think it's the Cheetah Girls.
I can't actually tell because my speakers are so low. It doesn't sound like Cheetah Girls. I don't even know who they are, but...
I don't actually know what the Cheetah Girls songs are. Callback. Woof 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 woof.
How are you today, Spike? Good to hear.
How are you? Hey, it's.
Oh, this is the guy that lives like 20 stores below mine.
So we fell a lot farther than one floor.
Yeah. Obviously.
This guy's got a pretty small apartment.
Oh well, his apartment is legitimately just one room, and he entertains people as they come up on the elevator.
Oh, it's lovely.
So, yeah.
No, I wish I had some money to give him, but all I have is that Super Salad coupon.
Yeah,
But
just kind of got mugged a few seconds ago or falling.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
I thought they took that too. Are you sure you still have that?
Well, Spike said to give it to him when we got off the elevator.
Oh, so he's like, give me that super salad coupon when we get off the elevator.
Yeah.
You know, you never know. Maybe he'll get like abducted like Alex, and
Oh God, don't bring up Alex again. That was terrible.
he'll get your wallet back.
I could, but that's only if he like drops it.
Yeah, well, he has to drop it.
Where is he even holding it exactly? What is
Just
this?
fill his pocket. Hey,
Is that Indiana Jones?
Mr. Detective.
Oh, is this one of those old detective shows?
Mr. Detective, we need you. There's been a murder. Alex is gone.
But we watched her being.
Shh.
Oh, sorry. It's a big cigarette. Do you have any cigarettes left, or no? Okay. Have a nice day.
Yeah, he lives like 30 floors below me.
Wait, so we went from 20 floors below you to 30 floors? Is the elevator going down?
I don't know. I can't tell. Andy. Andy.
I have a project to do later.
Andy.
I want to get fired from this new job. You're like sniffing his eyes.
I don't see this.
I'm just gonna back off.
Andy. Thank you for looking me in the eyes now, Andy. Oh, dear
Wait.
player, I didn't actually want to port over all the necessary Gmod tower content to make this work. So enjoy this photo of GMT suite. Oh, look at that. It's Gmod tower. It's a suite.
Whoa. What are those thumbtacks sticking into brick?
No,
What?
it's the actual thing.
Oh.
Look.
It's just such a weird area to have an elevator in a suite.
No.
Oh. Oh God. I love this music.
I love this song, Shazam.
What is it? What is the song called? I remember. I don't actually.
I don't get why Wolfgod and Steve aren't dancing there like drunk. No, the dude, we will not be doing something.
We're dancing, the dude.
Oh, that was like The Entertainer by, I don't know who, George Foreman.
I thought you were gonna say George Clooney for a second.
No.
I'm like, what?
George, like.
Oh, it's this song again. Or was this from my flashback? I don't know. Oh. I'm gonna guess this isn't your floor.
No, this is the nature greenhouse room on
Uh,
floor.
What is that? Oh my God! Help!
On floor 175. You know that they smell movement, so don't move.
How do you smell movement?
He smelled it.
God, go! Click. Click.
That was the nature room of 77. I'm floor 75. So
God.
above us again.
I'm gonna have nightmares from your apartment.
No. I don't know why we didn't just go in a straight line, but someone had to go and press all the buttons.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I bet you did press all the buttons, didn't you? That's why we're going randomly.
I might have leaned on the buttons.
So press them all, yeah.
Sorry.
All 40 of them. What time is it? It's already 12. 30. 42. Yeah.
There's 29 buttons.
Well,
just like there's 20.
oh, hello.
Wait, what the heck is that? What?
Oh,
Oh god! Anime! My worst nightmare.
That was funny. You got scared. I'm just gonna. Dude, will you stop looking at me?
Could you put the fire out of your hair? Too? It's getting a bit warm in here. I mean, thanks for having the warmth during that, like, snowstorm, but now it's a bit too warm.
Overkill, dude.
Just a bit overkill. I lied, there's actually 24 buttons.
That's what I thought.
I-
There weren't 29 buttons.
I miscounted a button. Or 5.
Oh, look at this.
Wait, what is...
I've never actually been to this floor. This must be like floor 102.
How-
I don't need to go to floor 102.
How does life work like this? They're like pixels. Also, what is that guy wearing on his face?
Well, it's 3D, so it's obviously light. Like, look at those guys. They're in the background. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look how the air is like moving. That's pretty cool.
the sand is moving. I don't think that's supposed to...
No.
Bye!
No.
Oh, Steve's inner tube was gone for a second, and then now it's back.
Yay, Steve. Shut up. It's 12:45. Spike, fix your ribcage. Wolf God.
Shouldn't we be doing something?
Shut
Yes.
up, dude. Andy, put down the shotgun. Steve, take off your tube, and Blossom, just get out of here.
I think Blossom's wanted by someone. She, like, keeps looking around like someone's hunting her. Maybe Andy's hunting her.
Probably Andy, yeah. So I think so.
God, what if we were on, like, a...
Just like looking around, like I'm looking for someone, but I just can't figure out.
I noticed Andy never looked over towards Blossom. Maybe he's, like, he's like, I'm trying to look for her, but I can't see her. Because he hasn't turned around.
Wait, where's my girlfriend?
Where's...
my girlfriend?
Uh...
Brianna is coming to the party now.
Wait, they have elevators? But there were rooms here.
Elevators sometimes transfer. It's called a
But the-
master elevator, and this is master elevator.
But there were rooms
Welcome to the master elevator.
above that elevator.
Yeah, I know, but
And below it.
welcome to the master elevator.
How does that make... Okay.
That elevator runs sideways.
Oh, this is a good song. Your apartment building didn't seem this big on the outside. Just saying.
Well, have you ever seen the outside of my apartment building? Because I haven't.
I guess
I've
not. We did
My apartment building,
take a subway train here, and by we I mean me.
and I've never left my building.
I can see why.
Yeah. Like, my floor, I'm pretty sure, has a grocery store and an orange juice facility.
Wow,
Yeah, they
It's
make
pretty
their
impressive.
own orange juice there.
that would make sense.
Yeah.
What are we listening to?
This is the top 90s songs of 99.
Oh, okay. God, I wonder what it would be like taking the stairs here.
Easier.
Oh my God, it's just like Love Cat the movie.
Love Cat, the movie, yeah.
Oh God! I love this floor. Can we get off? Ah, there's a wall. Maybe the wall's just a movie screen. That cat is sitting on a cat's face.
Love Cat!
God, that was the best movie.
That was the best movie ever. That was a great,
Like,
hour.
but
That was like that was like a 3-hour long movie from what I remember.
it was still amazing.
Stand against the corner and look at how your foot goes into the wall.
Yeah, I noticed. It kind of scares me.
Drink of the day is air.
Waiting for somebody?
Shut up, dude.
I'm waiting for our floor.
Yeah. This
Wait.
is not the right floor. I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Oh.
What? What's happening to my watch?
Look at someone's name. Look at someone. Look at someone.
Oh God. I'm pretty sure I just saw Jesus pop up. Ooh. Hi. Where's everybody?
No.
Andy!
No.
Oh God!
No. Who are we missing?
Andy!
No way.
Where's his gun? Why is there a blue dot every time I look at his skeleton?
Yeah, that's kind of weird. Hey, the dude. What's up, dude? High five. Yeah.
Good news is it's not so claustrophobic in here.
Oh, look. Yeah, but now there's a pile of bones and shit.
Yeah, it isn't.
It smells like asbestos.
Don't worry, Blossom. Andy's gone. You don't have to worry anymore.
Does she look worried still?
Yeah, she still looks pretty worried. Now everybody's looking at me. I didn't kill him. It wasn't me. Why? What are you looking at me for? I think they're plotting to kill me. Oh. Oh. Is this your apartment?
Welcome to my apartment.
Is there a fire extinguisher? I think that dude might need it.
So yeah, this is my.
1984? That movie sucked.
Whoa, what am I doing? That was weird.
Is this your family?
Billiards. Press use. Let's play Bill. Oh my gosh, Jason!
There's a stick coming out of your,
Press use on the billiards table to play.
Oh God.
Press use. Your E key. No, come on mine.
Uh,
I'll play a game of billiards.
I can't get free help! Oh. If I back away, it'll leave. Okay.
Are you ready? Hit E on the other one.
Yeah, exit. Alright. E! Let me play!
Hold on, I have to take a shot. Look at that. Alright, now I think it's your turn, right?
I don't understand.
Press E, press E.
No. Let's see.
Hey, oh, what? Oh, I have to take another shot. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh! There we go. The error, a request. Oh! There we go.
2, 3.
Oh,
I
stripes.
got one in. What did I get in?
A stripes.
Stripes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me play.
No, it's still my turn.
Stop bouncing around, Blue.
Come on.
What?
What's going on?
There we go.
Oh, wow, I missed.
You don't say.
Depressing.
That's depressing.
Oh,
I've got the perfect shot not lined up. Ah! Wait, what?
no way.
What?
No.
Spike is having a seizure. Spike and Steve are having a seizure.
Where's Spike?
Turn around.
Oh.
They're having a seizure. I love your pink pool sticks, by the way.
Oh yeah, don't mind those.
Whoops, I missed. It's very hard to control.
I can tell.
Oh, I love this poacher. I can't say words. I didn't realize you had 2 billiard tables at your apartment. Also, it's kind of strange how your elevator just goes straight into your room. But, you know, whatever.
Well, that's what you get for paying the premium package.
Yeah, I guess.
I might have accidentally picked up the ball.
How do you pick up the ball? You're floating. What? What? Oh, it's my turn.
Anyways.
Aw.
Ah. Let's see if I can get this now.
I like how it doesn't say your stripes, but it says some solids.
It says that.
Oh, I see. That's the timer. I thought that was.
Oh, you're welcome. I got yours in.
Yay! Can I hit from this far away? Wait, what? Oh, that's not the cue ball, you idiot. Oh god, the stick's in my face. I can't see. Nailed it. Thank you very much. Oh no.
Might be the hardest game.
No! Look at that shot.
This is not. No, this is really hard actually.
It is.
Oh,
They're still having a seizure over there. It's kind of scaring me.
There's a first-person mode.
You haven't been in first
How did
person
I
mode?
miss?
Oh!
No! No!
Oh. What happened?
No!
What?
Oh,
I missed. What happened? Spike! Wolf God! Equals MC squared.
strike.
Why do you have instructions for your TV and your billiards on the wall?
I don't know.
Did you just say strike, by the way?
Yeah, we're playing bowling now.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't realize you can use the scroll wheel to change your
I
course.
off the table.
Wait, where?
I don't know where it went. It like flew into the wall. And
My turn. I'm gonna shoot from all the way over here.
I think that means I can't win. Foul. Keep falling in.
Wait, what? What just happened?
We broke the game.
I want to play some slots. Why do you have a slot machine? Pretty sure that's illegal. You just got a cue and.
Okay. Am I going back to the game? No.
Oh, I win. I just said, oh, I win. I'll bet 10. Spin. Oh. Spin. Spin.
I'm not
Oh, I was so close to 3 lemons.
insert no below.
Wait,
I won 250 Gary bucks.
Gary Bucks?
I don't know.
Insert dough below.
I want another 250 Gary's bucks.
Shut up! Oh! 25 Gary Bucks. I'm done. How to leave. What is this?
Oh, come on. I'm gonna bet
Macklin.
1,000.
Man, if Phoenix is ever started up again, we won't need stairs. We'll have jetpacks. Jetpacks and teleporters. Jump pads, hoverboards, elevators. It's the future. Elevators that go in all directions. Let's do an extremely long elevator ride instead of a hallway. And you get disconnected at the end? Gmod Tower 3.0 beta testing. No, you get reconnected to the same elevator over and over. It will never end. There is no escape. And a single NPC walks in and then it continues and does this over and over, so it takes forever to get to the top. In all seriousness, please make this. I fucking am. The only weapons you have is, like, you can check your watch. A briefcase. I'll use the GM apartment code as a springboard lighter with a watch. That would be so awesome. So you just stand there, checking your watch. Duckborn, are y'all bringing back GMT? I CBA to read all the stuff everyone said. Someone summarize it for me. Gigantic elevator. Elevator simulator. Jesus Christ. This is excellent. We need the finest elevator music. Here's a silly idea. Okay, let's do it. Put it on the Pixel Tail website when it's done too. Achievements. Life waster. Spend 10 minutes of your life in the elevator. This is how we work, Mac. I know. We should add sweets to this game mode. Oh my god. I'm gonna make so much custom content for a freaking elevator simulator. You guys think I'm joking? Best conversation ever. Ooh, I'm just gonna make myself... oh, I'm checking my watch again. How do we do things? Oh! Banana! I'm gonna make myself a smoothie. Beer!
Oh, no way.
More beer!
No, no, that's all you need. You can
No.
lunch now.
More beer. Oh, I could have put some watermelon in there. Yeah, put the beer in there. Yeah. Poor Andy, his bones are still in the elevator.
Yeah, well, we don't.
Oh god, don't hit the panel again.
I can't tell if it's working or not. I think it is.
I'm trying to think of a video.
Yeah, it's working. How'd you do that?
How'd I do what?
Oh, good. Oh, got some bleach and soda. I got an apple.
Yeah, it doesn't want to work. Why can't I go on your balcony?
Oh, no way, I made a smoothie. Doing next to it. Oh, the balcony's been locked since 97. Here, I'll make a smoothie again when we.
Is that bleach?
Yeah, we need that. That's the bleach. Don't put that in there. Please, that's the bottle of that. No, no, don't put it in. No, no. We need to make a smoothie. Oh, God. Really?
I have a question. Why is oranges... Oh.
There it is.
Why are oranges... Oh.
See, we're so good at making smoothie.
I don't think you're supposed to have the lid off. Just saying.
Oh, but what good? Two bananas. What was that gonna make?
I'll drink this smoothie that's on the floor. Alright, well, I'm gonna leave.
Alright, see, dude.
Boop. I said boop!
I think you're supposed to hit the top of it. What does it say? Use the panel to play again. What panel?
That's what I thought. It was the number panel, but maybe not.
I don't see any other panel.
Alright, well, I guess that's it then. I guess I'm trapped in your apartment. Forever. Well, that was fun. R.I.P. Andy.
Use the panel to. There's a panel.
What panel?